Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show how you can make a presentation for school or for university using Canva.com. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and type in Canva.com. You're going to log into your account or create one if you already don't have one, and after that you're going to go ahead and press the presentations button, and here you can see a few options about the resolutions of already made templates. You can see some templates. You can just choose any of them. I'm going to just press on this one, and you can just basically go ahead and add multiple slides to your presentation, and you can just go ahead and edit these to your own liking. Okay, so that is for today's video, guys, and see you in the next one.